If you found this video, you likely did like me yesterday, and you did something like this to your drone. We get out on location, the lights are set, catering's there, models in place, camera's ready, we got the script, it's time to film, and this is the first shot. Little motherfucker flew right into the ground all by himself. That's the face of a dude who thinks that he's out $1,200. But luckily right after I remembered we did get the DJI CARE Refresh. I was unsure if we had activated it, so found the number, got everything we needed, and then we started the application. What you gotta do is go online to DJI. They get a little bit of a questionnaire put in saying whether you think it's your fault or it is the fault of the drone. You give them a little bit of information on that, and then get yourself one of these. And then you wait. Hopefully, if they've accepted, 2 days later, get yourself one of these. Gonna pack that up, put our broken drone inside, send it in, see what they say. They're very clear about including this paper inside the box. So don't forget that, put that inside the box. And that's it. We're gonna send that in, and then you wait. I got the good news. They received the drone. It did not get lost and sent to Bangladesh, which is very good news. Took 10 days for it to arrive, but I did send it on Good Friday over Easter weekend, so I do take that into accommodation. I got this email the other day saying that it has arrived on the 12th and that they're basically doing an assessment of the damage. Pretty straightforward. I did snap the neck right off, so that shouldn't be too hard. The only bit of concern is that it does say repair. I was under the impression they'd be replacing it. So this morning I went back online, I got another email from them. They made their assessment, and the word they're using is replacement. All right, so looking at this email here, I can see that they've written to me that it would cost 114 euros and 49 cents, shipping costs and VAT excluded. But because I do have the DJI CARE Refresh, that's gonna be $65.29 plus the 21% VAT. Bend over, we're in Europe. They like their high VATs for a grand total of 79 euros. We're gonna pay these guys and we'll let you know what happens. Ooh, we got her back. Ooh, I'm excited. We're gonna open her up. We're gonna see what they put inside. My fingers are crossed that they ran out of DJI Air 2 and they put in a 2S. Ho-ho! Brand spanking new. Ooh, they feel even nice and tight. They feels like the other ones might have been a little bit loose. It feels nice. What else we got in the box? They've been kind enough to give us a flight safety guide, and I actually am kind of happy that they mentioned it because I probably would have turned it on and wondered why nothing happens. We got to relink this to a remote because it is a completely different drone. So we're going to do that, get it up in the air, see how she handles. Let's go! Woo, baby! Woohoo! So is getting the DJI CARE Refresh worth it? Hell yeah! I'm not recommending by any stretch of the imagination that you go out there and crash your drone so you can get a new one. If you do like DJI, yeah, you probably shouldn't support them by purposely crashing your drone. But what I am saying is that maybe if you only have 1 month left on your DJI CARE Refresh, you might fly your drone a little bit more aggressively to try to get that shot, and things happen. They're gonna replace it for the low cost of 79 euros or whatever they charge in your currency.